All right, now for the secret feature. What you need to do is climb to, let's say, 10 meters altitude. I hope you can see the helicopter there. All right. Okay, tail is to my side. I will press mode. Okay, and move the aileron. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, greetings, Ali Shamo here. Welcome outdoors. I'm going to fly this RC Black Hawk Coast Guard version, the Yuxiang FO9S, once again because it just came back from factory. They have optimized the flight controller and they said those hip-hop movements are gone, and they also programmed a secret feature for me, which we're gonna find out in this flight and see how what feature is that. All right, so let's stay with me and see how it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go, taking off in optical flow mode. Okay, come down, detect the ground. Let me bring it back here closer to me. Okay, let's see how it holds its position in optical flow. Look at that. That is a lot of improvement right here, as you can see. So let me just go slightly higher and switch it to GPS. While I stay stationary, you can see there's a lot of improvement right there. That's a lot of improvement. Before it was just doing a lot of hip-hop movement. All right, so now let's fly it in GPS mode. As usual, flying nice and slow. Let me make it high speed. GPS mode. Optical flow mode becomes more slow even in high speed. Let's just keep it in GPS. Beautiful, man. Now it's really nice and smooth. Very nice and smooth. So let's try the circle flight, shall we? I'll just keep it here and do it circle. It comes forward automatically. Turns around. I am in GPS mode, yes. And it starts doing a circle. So that's point of interest. Okay, cancel that. Now, I haven't tried this heart-shaped flight, so I'll bring it against the skies right here. I hope you can see it properly. And let's try heart. So it goes up and makes another shape, kind of. I don't know what's happening. It's just going up. Okay, it took the center right here for the heart, and it is making that heart shape now. It should come down. I haven't tried that, but it's doing that. You know what? It looks pretty useless to me. I mean, this feature, nobody can see what helicopter is doing. So let's test the secret feature. What you need to do is climb to, let's say, 10 meters altitude. I hope you can see the helicopter there. All right. Okay, tail is to my side. I will press mode. Okay, and move the aileron. Look. I mean, have you ever seen a Black Hawk helicopter fly inverted? Look at that. This is what they have programmed. So you can have an inverted flying Black Hawk helicopter. So that was the secret feature, okay? Let me just take a picture of that. Okay, so I'm gonna go up. And it's in a kind of easy fly mode. Left is left, right is right, forward is forward, back is back. So kind of easy fly mode, man. All right, so I'm gonna go up and press mode, and this aileron. I also heard that they said they're gonna reduce the altitude for this probably. So this won't work at this altitude. See, it will only work when you are 10 meters or higher. So people, that was the secret mode they programmed in these helicopters. I believe you're gonna get that mode as well. So I actually told them, you know, that please don't do that, because this is a scale helicopter Coast Guard. It wouldn't ever do an inverted flight like that. But hey, they want to program something really fun for you, so they did. And hey, what the, come on, you can have fun with it anyway. Show off to people that your Black Hawk or Seahawk helicopter can actually fly inverted. That's it, people. So I will conclude this flight now. You know the secret feature, and you know that the optimized algorithms are really working, and the helicopter is much more smooth now. Those hip-hop movement up and down are simply gone. The helicopter is much more smooth now. All right, let's land. I'm lazy. I don't want to pick the helicopter. I'm gonna go close to my car and land it there. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Give this video a big like. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon. Turn on all the notifications so you don't miss the upcoming exciting helicopter videos of the all-new F-180 V2 direct drive dual brushless motors GPS featured RC helicopter.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.